Hello everybody, Ty Bob here. Living in Asia puts me in position to see many things I never saw in the States. Eating habits in Asia involve eating less meat and more fruits and vegetables. Asians rarely have overweight problems and experience less cancer than Westerners. They live longer than us too. Most of us have seen the government food pyramid. Most people don't realize food industry lobbyists have far more to do with the pyramid than nutritionists. The first clue is the United States Department of Agriculture has the pyramid made, not the Food and Drug Administration. Interestingly enough, a lot of MMA fighters are becoming vegan. Here's some photo evidence that Asians eat smarter than Westerners. Check this out. Do you eat anything with as many health benefits as mangosteen? Queen Elizabeth had mangosteen imported to England, and mangosteen gained the nickname the Queen of Fruits. Many of the fruits I'll show you are available in Asian markets, and I've seen Asian markets in U.S. towns as small as 10,000 residents. thanks for watching, everybody. We'll have another video up tomorrow, and this one is going to be on motorcycles and drones in Thailand. If you like to get notifications, please press the subscribe button. If you would like to just go to the YouTube search box and insert Razor's Edge Chiang Mai, that'll get you to all of our 240 videos. Thanks a lot for watching again. Bye-bye.